Oh, good morning. Is it Monday? It's Monday. Well, the unhoused couple is bivouacking on the stoop of the church on a rainy day. What does bivouacking mean? It means to set up in the open. Found them. Second church. Well, they have a chair built for two, like one of those sun chairs. Hi, bunny. There's a bunny over there. That's the reality of my neighborhood. I mean, now imagine, it's 5:15 in the morning, 5:11. Well, I hope they stay, don't get sick. I hope they can stay dry. I hope that they're healthy. I hope they get something to eat. And I hope they're not a nuisance to their neighbors, And that's Davis Square behind us. And it says a southbound train will be coming in 6 minutes. I hope so. Today is all week on the Red Line. The Red Line will be shut down between Kendall MIT and JFK UMass, eliminating all of downtown Boston and South Boston as well. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Yeah. It's a rainy morning here in Boston. It's 68 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's 100% humid. Oh, yuck. I think I'm done on this side. Turn me over. Hey yo, waka waka. And I hope you had a great weekend. I wonder how the train. I wonder how the train is running. It was like they're just gonna have two. Like we have. This never happens here. So you have a train idling there, and it's only doing a local loop from Alewife and Cambridge to this penultimate stop at Davis Square, to the other few Cambridge stops. And then the subway picks up again at JFK UMass, going to Braintree, and then Icanada and to Ashmont, respectively. Got an umbrella. So you can take a shuttle bus from Kendall to JFK UMass, and it's bypassing Park Street and Downtown Crossing, two of the most important stops on this in the system. Both are connections. One's a connection to the Green Line. The other is a connection to the Orange Line. So it goes from Alewife Kendall, and then all of downtown is getting bypassed, and you get your shuttle bus here. I'll have to endure that nightmare on Friday. After work, go down and meet up with some of my family in Quincy at my mom's condo to take care of some mom business. That'll be fun. I have a plan. There's a commuter rail. This Purple Line, that's a good train. And gratitude. What happened to gratitude? This is the morning gratitude list. Top of the morning to you from Sully here in Boston, Massachusetts, United States of America, hub of the multiverse, the known multiverse, and yeah. Did you have a good weekend? I'm grateful for the weekend and blessed. So I started off my gratitude list with the Foundation 8. I am grateful and blessed for my family, my friends, my faith, my freedom, my health, my union job, a good night's sleep, and a solid breakfast. From there, I elaborate. And I'm grateful for the weekend. I'm grateful that I had 2 days off in a row, that I could relax. I take one day to do absolutely nothing, and the other day is full of chores and stuff. Usually on Sundays, I'm making content for the week. I usually do like my Wednesday new preview show and then a Sunday review show, a live stream. But since my mom passed away, I haven't been in the right mind space to do that. And now I was on Wes's Thinking Critical on Saturday on the Comics Aficionados, and that was good. And that was welcome. And it's nice to like slowly get back into the game there. I'll be getting back to that kind of content, but I got some life stuff to sort out first. I'm looking at it's hard. It's not hard to enjoy comics. No, it's a nice escape, to be honest with you. But when your YouTube it feels like more of like a burden than it is a hobby. I mean, seriously, like this gratitude list, it's a blessing. It's not a burden. Find time to do it. It's a good time to do it, But it was nice to be on Wes's Thinking Critical on Saturday. Thank you, Wes. Got a wonderful comment in his comment section. A troll. I got a case of the trolls. Does this mean I have to shave my pubes off again? Is that how it works? Oh, that's a crabs. What's the difference between crabs and trolls? Seriously. And seriously, yeah. Oh, here the train's coming. Cool. At least the train's on time, Here it comes. And for anyone looking to extend their journey down to Ashmont or to Braintree in the Quincy area, you need to take the shuttle bus to JFK UMass. It literally takes 12 minutes with no traffic or delays from here to Kendall. So I wonder if it's just these two trains going back and forth. Terrible. Good morning. Yeah, I'm grateful. It's like I like to say I struggle with my sobriety, and sometimes it wins, and sometimes I take it on the chin. Like Friday night. It's like I have to just adopt a new mantra. Keep walking past the pub. Keep walking past the liquor store. This predictable outcome pattern is just, there you go. It's exactly what's going to happen. I had 2 pints of Guinness after work at the pub. It's Fridays. Why not? It's like 4 in the afternoon. You're not going to meet anyone, Plus, it's like I got a bedtime. I get tired really early. You know, I'm kind of a bummer on Fridays. You know, I've been up since 3:30 in the morning. I was at work at 6. Worked on my feet for 8 straight hours. And you know, well, that's why God invented the disco nap. I could go home and take a disco nap. You know, that's up to me. But so yeah, and so Friday, I get 2 pints of Guinness at the bar, and on the way home, I pick up a 6-pack of Miller Lite, and before you know it, it's all gone, and it's bedtime. And then you wake up the next morning, and it's like, oh, I shouldn't have done that. But at least you know, I'm seasoned drunk, so you know, I ate a ton of food after that last beer. I ate like a whole thing of chicken parmigiana, like 3 slices of toast, you know, gobbled down like 4 Advil at like 2 a.m. when I got up to pee. I bet I have to be on the show at 10, you know, the West show. And so I was bright-eyed and bushy-tailed for that, but I mean, seriously, drinking like takes a whole day out of me now. Is it worth it? No, not really. No, not in the big scheme of things, or even the little scheme of things. It's just, you know what's going to happen. Sure, you get, you know, the satisfaction of being buzzed, but you're drinking alone, you alcoholic. Yeah, I guess. Don't hide from it, just accept it. Here you are, 8 beers, 8 pints, in what, less than 4 hours. That's a pint of beer a half an hour. Seriously, break it down into math. Be like, wow, what are you doing, kid? How are you spending your time? What are you doing with it? Wow, you're drinking alone? Well, I'm used to that because it's like I'm always alone. Seriously, I was saying it last week. Like, since my mom passed away, I've never felt lonelier. I mean, she was like an anchor to me. I would text her every day, and my stepdad too. But I text him every day. I do. I love you, Hoppy. But I would just say good morning, send them a picture, me in my chef hat, check in at night, just be like, hi, having supper, I made this, I made that, watching TV, not doing much, just it's my life, But it just reminded me how acutely alone I really am. I know, huh? It's poor me. Crimea River. There's your sob story, kid. Wow. Dude, my mother died. Fuck off. Hey, ¿qué onda? Buenos días.
Good morning, passengers. Via Divine is the emergency service in effect as of today to the 25th. Kendal MIT will be the last stop. Shuttle bus running from Kendal to JFK UMass, making all airline stops in between. Kendal MIT
He's
will
lying.
be the last stop. Always a very convenient. If you need inbound service beyond Kendal, there will be a shuttle bus upstairs on the street level at Kendal MIT.
Oh God, just go.
Don't make all airline stops between Kendal and JFK UMass. Kendal MIT will be the last stop. There will be the same gig until August the 25th.
You could close the doors and get you on your way. Okay. But yeah, I literally have never felt more lonely. I probably have. It's just more of I've always felt this way. But now it's just it's very acute. It's not so cute. It's very sharp. It's obvious. gotta get on it. I gotta remind myself to get on the other car. Oh. Make sure you get the Mondays, get a case of you. Don't get a case of the Mondays. Let the Mondays get a case of you instead. Yeah, so this is like the shape of the red line all week. Woe to you, oh Braintree commuter. They are shutting down the entire red line to the Braintree line from like September 9th to the end of the month. So most of the month of September, the entire Braintree line is out of order. Wow. I'll be relying on that branch of the subway, so sure, fix it. Now. Oh my god. I'm surprised I haven't had a full-blown panic attack in one of these stoppages so far. Knock on wood. Please, someone knock on some wood out there. I have panic pills, yes. You don't tune in to watch me stress out. It's supposed to be about managing your stress. I mean, gratitude. I'm grateful and blessed for lots of things. It's just a Monday morning. Put a comment in the comment section if you can hear that. I did not have breakfast this morning. I wasn't hungry, and now I am. Oh my goodness. It's the first train of the day. There must be all the traffic ahead of us. Oh. I've never, in all my life, living in Boston, never having a car, always relying upon the MBTA, has it never been this bad? Is it the Democrats' fault? Or is it the Republicans' fault who pursued the Democrats? It's just... Here we go. Someone must have got out and started pushing. Like what Princess Leia said in Empire Strikes Back. Would it help if I got out and pushed? It might. One of my favorite lines in the entire Star Wars 2 trilogies. There's only 2 Star Wars trilogies. And then there's a bunch of Disney stuff. I'm grateful for Star Wars. I was a Generation 1 Star Wars fan. I mean, you know why Disney fans hate me? Because they don't have my authentic experience. They have a simulation, an imitation, a desperation to their fandom. I've never seen a bunch of sore losers in my life. Sore winners, rather. Sore winners. Disney Star Wars fans are the sorest group of winners I've ever seen in my life. Like, there you go. You have Star Wars. It's all yours. Wow. You've taken something mythological and made it into common product. But hey, I mean, there are 2 Star Warses. There's the authentic George Lucas Star Wars, You can always claim that and be like, hey, this Disney stuff really does suck. You guys are right. Or you just, be one of those Disney fans and just, oh, man. But it's always been political. It's about civil war and about empire. Like, oh, God. Help. Oh, man. I'm grateful and blessed that I have mantra and spirituality and some meditation skills. Like, I wake up in the middle of the night. I gotta pee. And I know it's like, oh, gosh. It takes me forever to get back to sleep. I don't even look at the clock. I don't look at, like, I use the flashlight on the phone because if I turn on the lights, it's gonna wake me up. So I use my flashlight on the phone, and I cover up the time with my hand. I don't want to know what time it is. Seriously. I mean, once I go to bed, I don't even look at my phone. My phone could, like, my texts could explode. Something I said on Twitter might go viral. I wouldn't know. I'm in bed. I go to bed and that's it. 7:30 to 3:30. I don't look at my phone.
Once again, this just be advised.
All right. Last stop. All off. Harlem, USA. Don't forget to close the doors. Close the doors. Last stop. All off. Harlem, USA. Don't forget to close the doors. Close the doors. Some old hip hop. If you need to get to Braintree, take the shuttle bus to JFK. Or take the commuter rail from South Station.
This diversion service will be in effect as of today until the 25th of October. For the inconvenience, Kendall MIT will be the last stop, and this train is going back to the other way.
And what if it's going backwards? And they're just going to have two trains on like each track. This is like a 14-minute one-way trip. Have a good day, man. What time is it now? 5:32. Well, delays make alternate routes. I just, I'm grateful though for at least it gets me to, Subway can still get me to work relatively on time. Oh no, it's stopping again. Oh my gosh. I'm so grateful and blessed that I have not had a melty, or I've never seen or witnessed anyone else have a full-blown panic attack, anxiety attack from being trapped on the fucking subway. Especially when it comes to just oh my gosh. And to get like so wound up before work, it's like, I'm like literally counting down the minutes until I can take my next panic pill. Like, I pop them as soon as I wake up, 3:30 a.m., 3:37. And I'm like, it's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock's good. I can do 10 o'clock. And you can't have and there's no, there's you can't push the button and be like, can you just a couple of hundred more feet, can we just go? It says like, emergency intercom. I can't press this button and ask for, hello, let's go. We just go. Or there are cameras everywhere too, not just on your phones, but I mean, I'm okay. Don't worry. I'm not having I'm not having a panic attack. I'm really not that stressed. Oh my goodness. Just want to get to work. Brew my coffee. I'll have something to eat at work. I think I might have an everything bagel with cream cheese.
Entering Kendall MIT.
Seriously, if you have a melty and start friggin' kicking shit and just causing a ruckus, you're gonna get hauled off in chains, probably taken to the mental ward. It doesn't matter how stressed out you are. It doesn't matter how stressful this experience is. If this like the MBTA, the T, has been doing this to riders. The T. That T symbol, that's the icon for our subway, the Massachusetts Bay Transportation Authority. It's a system of subways, light rails, buses, trolleys, and commuter rail trains that that's the system map. So that's like East Boston, Malden, Medford Tufts, Cambridge, Boston College, Brookline, all the way out to Jamaica Plain, Dorchester, and the South Shore. I wonder how this is going to work at night. I mean, like, Alewife doesn't have a connection from one platform to the other. So you have to either choose one platform or the other, which one's taken off next. Whew. Wow. Let's turn a 12-minute trip into a And here we are. It's the first train of the day. It's rainy. Good morning. Good morning. And here are the shuttle buses. And that is our trip to work this morning. They got them all lined up. Alrighty. Well, God bless. Namaste. Good luck. Have a happy Monday if that's possible. Fresh air and on my way to work. Okay. Woo. I got this. Thank you. You've got it too. You just breathe. Talk your way out of it. You got this. You do. God bless. Namaste. Good luck. We will see you with more gratitude later.